Alright, well my mirror's been acting up on and off. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Right now it's working, of course, because of video. You do not need to take the glass out of your mirror to take this mirror cover off. And this is not a bulb. It's actually, this whole piece is replaceable. There's a video somewhere on YouTube that you have to take out the glass and you have to get behind the springs and all that BS. Let me tell you something. Once you've done one of these, it is so easy. There's a tab right inside here. You push your mirror back. Release the tab. The mirror slides right out. The tab is right here. And it attaches to this little plastic tab right here. And the mirror, the glass stays on. The mirror cover literally just pops back on like that. And that's how fast it is to do.